Okay, so we will factor x squared minus 49y to the 6th power. Okay, so factoring by difference of two squares pa rin tayo. So i-factor natin yan, si x squared at saka si 49. So factor nito, x squared yan, so meaning dalawang x. Ayan. Then since negative yan, so either positive or negative, or pwede silang magkabaliktad. Pwede negative dito, pwede positive dyan. Okay, then factor ng 49, that is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. And factor ng y to the 6th power, that is y cube. Y cube. Okay, so ito na yung factored form natin. So now we will check using the FOIL method. I-check natin yan. First, outer, inner, and last term. So first muna tayo, si x times x, that is equal to x squared. Diba? Then outer, x times negative 7y cubed equals negative 7xy cubed. Then inner, multiply natin yan, that is positive 7xy cubed. And last term, si 7y, multiply natin kay negative 7y y cube. Positive 7y cube, i-multiply natin kay negative 7y cube. So, magiging negative 49y to the 6th power kasi add natin yung exponent. Okay? So, equals x squared, ito yung naiwan. Ito si negative 7xy cube at saka si positive 7xy cube. I-cancel natin yan kasi 0 na yan. Then, minus 49y to the 6th power. So, diba, the same sila?